This is the bathroom. The tap is on. The water is rising. And Sam is nowhere to be found. In 5 minutes, this water will reach the hallway.
What is that?
Sam!
Sam is in the living room. He has his headphones on. He cannot hear anything. He has absolutely no idea what is happening in the bathroom.
None! Yes! I won!
It is Saturday afternoon. Mom is cooking in the kitchen. Chloe is studying in her room.
I will have a quick bath. 5 minutes.
Okay, Sam. Do not forget to turn the tap off.
Maya, I am 12 years old. I know how a tap works.
I know. Just reminding you.
I have been using taps since I was 3. I am basically a tap expert.
Tap expert.
Just one game while the bath fills. Easy. Yes! Come on! Almost there! This is the best game ever!
Turn off. Turn off is a phrasal verb. It means to stop something that is running or working. For example, turn off the tap. Turn off the lights before you leave. He forgot to turn off the oven. Turn off. Why is the carpet wet? Oh no!
Sam!
Oh, hey, Maya. Did you need something?
Sam, come with me, now.
Why do you look like that?
Come with me.
Oh,
Yes. Oh,
that is a lot of water.
you flooded the bathroom. Chloe said, "You flooded the bathroom." Flooded. Flooded means a place is covered with too much water.
For example, the bathroom is flooded. The streets were flooded after the heavy rain. He flooded the kitchen by leaving the tap on. Flooded.
I prefer to call it a water accident. That is what flooded means, Sam. Sam, how long were you playing that game? 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
The game was very exciting, Maya.
What is all this noise? I am trying to cook and... Why is the floor wet?
Possibly my fault.
Sam.
Mom, before you say anything,
Samuel.
I was just...
Samuel.
The game was really...
Samuel!
Yes, Mom?
Get the mop, get the towels, and get cleaning, now.
Yes, Mom. This is a lot of water.
Yes, Sam, it is.
I did not think water could spread this fast.
It can.
Interesting. I feel like I learned something today.
Spread. Spread means when something moves outward and covers a bigger area. For example, the water spread across the floor. The news spread quickly around the school. She spread butter on the bread. Spread.
I learned something today.
You learned that taps need to be turned off.
I knew that already.
Clearly you did not.
Okay, fair point.
Who is that?
Hello, dear. I made a cake for the family. I just wanted to... Oh my. Is your floor wet?
No. Everything is fine, Mrs. Chen.
It looks wet to me. Is everything okay?
Maya, the mop is full again.
Oh, did something happen?
Everything is completely fine, Mrs. Chen. Thank you so much for the cake.
Because last week Mr. Peterson had a pipe problem and the water went all the way to...
The cake looks wonderful. Thank you.
Goodbye, Mrs. Chen.
She is going to tell the whole building.
I know.
Maya?
What?
I am really sorry. I know I caused a big problem.
You did, Sam.
But I was thinking
What?
to the corridor, and the corridor is quite long, so the water must have traveled at least 4 meters in 45 minutes. Sam, what are you doing? I am calculating the water speed. For science.
You are calculating the water speed. It is actually quite interesting. If I divide the distance by the time... Sam! Come and help me mop the kitchen too, please.
The kitchen too? The water reached the kitchen, Sam. Wow. 4 meters was clearly an underestimate.
Tap expert.
Well,
The floor is clean, the bathroom is dry, and we have a very nice cake thanks to Mrs. Chen.
Mom, can I have the biggest piece?
You flooded the house, Sam. I also helped clean it after you flooded it. I think that balances out.
Sam, small piece.
Okay, fair.
Sam, what did you learn today?
3 things, actually.
Go on.
1, always turn the tap off before you start playing a game. 2, water moves faster than you think. And 3, neighbor problems sometimes come with cake.
Sam flooded the bathroom. He cleaned it up. He learned his lesson.
Turn off the tap.
See you in the next video. Bye!